Laws passed in Austin are vastly different than what's passed in Albany. New York and Texas are political polar opposites. And now their opposing abortion laws are clashing in court.
How do we determine where one state's enforcement ends and another one begins?
Frankly, I think that's an answer that only the U.S. Supreme Court can provide.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton claims a doctor in New York mailed abortion medication to a woman in Collin County. That breaks Texas law. So Paxton sued the doctor in Collin County. A Collin County judge fined the doctor. But a New York clerk would not enforce the fine. So Paxton sued that clerk, too.
The Shield law in New York actually prohibited the New York state clerk from accepting these papers. So there's definitely a showdown. There's definitely a conflict here.
Monday, the New York Attorney General announced she's intervening. It is no longer Paxton versus a doctor or county clerk. It is basically states with abortion bans versus states with laws protecting abortion providers.
The reason that we're dealing with this is because we have a U.S. Supreme Court that's granted states such broad rights with regard to how to deal with abortion and its boundaries. And those states have, not surprisingly, chosen to handle things very different from one another.
Eventually, the same court that gave power to the states will likely decide where a state's power ends. In Dallas, I'm Teresa Woodard.